where it goes through the residential building. What's that?
What's what?
It's yours.
Yeah. So what? You said what?
The next station is where we take off. The infamous train going through residential building station is right there.
So we're going inside a building?
Yeah, let's go take a look at the cockpit.
Wait, so we're about to go inside of a building. To go inside of a building.
No.
Well, you've been filming us. Hold on, time out. Hold on, we about to crash! We are inside of a building? On the right.